In this step-by-step video tutorial, we are going to replace the inner frame with speaker. What do you need? An opening tool, a spudger, and a screwdriver. Place the opening tool in the notch on the side of the phone and open the battery cap. Lift the battery using the opening tool. Take out the 8 screws. Also these 2. Pick up your opening tool and separate the screen display. Take out the module by taking out the screws. Lift it up using the opening tool. Now scoop out the microphone. Take out the inner module by using the spudger like this. Place the new inner frame like this. And place back the microphone. Follow these next steps as shown. Screw the screws back in place. Reinstall the screen display. Place back the screen as shown. Place back the screws. Place back the battery. Place back the battery cap. Make sure it fits properly.
Nova Custom. Own your tag.